Welcome to this Android channel, and today we are Tuesday, September the 3rd, 2019, and of course we had a hunch that today Android 10 would be launched. Well, it's officially available if you have a Pixel phone. So the Pixel phones of now, you can now download and check out Android 10. Of course, just a quick reminder that sometimes some of these can be blocked by the carrier that you are on. So sometimes people say, hey, they say that it's available but I don't see it. Well, that's your carrier blocking it. But for the most part, Google has now officially released Android 10 for Pixel devices. So you can get that today on September the 3rd, Tuesday, as it was pretty much what we thought would happen today. And of course that means that we are officially at the launch of Android 10, the next version of Android for mobile devices and tablets. So this is of course a new era, and we're going to of course be looking at all of this as time goes by in the next few weeks. Starting next week, we probably will have more intense videos, more videos coming up to you, because we will have of course starting next Thursday, we're going to start having access to a lot of devices, and this is going to be nice because it's going to be a interesting thing to look at, seeing different phones, different devices, different versions of Android, because a lot of you are on older versions. So that's all coming up starting next week. So if you got a Pixel phone, well, maybe you could check it out. Android 10 is now officially released for Pixel devices. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.